Please forgive me, I've been lifting and Arthur's taking notes for his own development. He's currently doing an 11-bed development. I just thought I'm here to do a design spec for my chapel. I've taken lots of videos. This is going to be the bathroom. Wouldn't that be nice, lying in your bath? The bath is going to lie, again, look at this beautiful panelled wood here, and the bath is going to be against there, and then, whoo, you just look at your fireplace, and then as you come in, Arthur's really wanting to be in the video, as you come in, there he is, look, that is your entrance hallway. From there into the main hallway, which is here. You could go straight to the bathroom, which is there, if you want to, or you come in that beautiful door, come into the main hallway, and it's just like, wow. Isn't that great? We got windows, one there, we got another church window there, and then we got a whole host of windows up here. And what we're going to do here is, this is going to be the kitchen, then we're going to have a mezzanine in the middle with glass round, and then we're going to have a dining room at the end. And then we got, so there's a bedroom upstairs, which is going to be looking at the ceiling, and then we've got 2 more bedrooms. One of the bedrooms is going to be in here. And again, look, isn't that lovely? And we're going to put a fireplace here. And then here is the entrance to a Jack and Jill bathroom. And the other bedroom, to be fair, is quite small. You'll get a double in it, but it's a pretty weeny little bedroom. Isn't that lovely? But let me just finish off by showing you the roof again. This is the chapel. Isn't that fabulous? So that's the design spec. And forgive my look, I literally have just been lifting. That's the design spec that I'm working on at the moment. See you soon. Bye.